Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with Files on Demand turned on. First, sign into the OneDrive client and update it so Files on Demand is available. Open OneDrive settings, go to the Settings tab, and check Save Space and Download Files as you use them. That enables online-only placeholders. Once done, verify your OneDrive folder appears in File Explorer and sync has completed. Make sure green check marks aren't actively syncing. Now you're ready to convert specific files or folders to online only. Start by selecting the files or folders you want to make online only inside your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Right-click and choose Free Up Space. Windows will remove the local copy and leave a placeholder that downloads on demand. For bulk or very large items, open OneDrive on the web, select multiple files, and delete local versions or move them between folders. This also enforces online-only behavior. Make sure sync finishes. Placeholders show a cloud icon when successful. Finish by confirming cloud icons on items and opening a couple to ensure they download correctly. If local disk space didn't increase, check for the Always Keep on this device setting, right-click and uncheck it, then choose Free Up Space again. If OneDrive seems stuck, pause and resume syncing or restart the OneDrive app. Use the built-in Sync Troubleshooter on Windows. If problems persist, sign out and back, in or reboot. These steps clear stale locks and force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.